I'm Miguel, and this is Francis. We are co-founders of PixelDrive. What PixelDrive is, just to explain it, we got to go a few months back, and I spent quite a bit of time in Australia and before moving here, and the internet speeds over there are pretty bad. Any Aussies here? Yeah, okay. It's really bad over there. The broadband network is crap. Overall, it's pretty bad. And I love UFC. So I watch UFC. Conor got smashed, if you guys have watched. But I used to watch UFC, and I start streaming at 1080p. And when the network quality degrades, the entire screen gets downgraded to standard definition, or goes down to 480 or 360p. And you start seeing pixels. So that's pretty bad. And I thought, okay, well, to me, I don't really care about the background. I care about the two fighters. If you're watching a tennis match, you care about the two players and the court. You don't really care about everything else. So what if you could do adaptive compression, sort of graceful degradation? You start streaming the middle in HD, and you don't care about everything else. I come from AI, machine learning, and I thought, okay, let's solve this. So a video is a sequence of frames. So we need to solve frames first, meaning photos. So that's what we did. We actually started compressing photos down to 5% without losing any quality. And we thought, okay, we need to keep going with it's a big research project to go to video. So we thought, okay, we need to commercialize this and make revenue, build a team, build a company. And that's how MLVX came to be. MLVX is the company name. It stands for Machine Learning Visual Experience. And PixelDrive is our product. This is a full-blown platform. You get 1 gig for free. All you need to do is just drag and drop photos, and you'll see how it gets compressed. And Francis will do a demo, right?
Yeah, do you want to?
Oh, yeah, okay. So Francis is going to drag and drop a photo now. If you want to show the previous value made, like just how big it is, one. So that's 2.3 meg, that's an 11 meg, keep going, 4.2, 3.6, and then you get 4.8. And he's going to drag and drop, and we'll see how you go.
Mix of PNGs and JPEGs.
It's a mix of PNG and JPEGs. Right now, we compress everything to JPEGs. So you do just drag and drop, and you'll see processing sign with the value. And when it drops, the processing will go away. It usually takes a few seconds. We update every 10 seconds. That went down to 488. And no loss in quality, no loss in resolution. And we'll show you, so that 11 meg file, just have a look at that. But if you want to show the demo, well, just wait. Maybe it'll take 10 seconds. Oh, okay. So we support 8K, 16K, whatever you want. It's super resolution. Raw files, PNGs, anything you want. Any image. And that's 583 kilobytes. And no, that's like 5%. So we'll show you the change. So that's a 4K Audi. If you want to just like maximize it, yeah. No, I'll just do that. Okay. That's the original.
No, compressed.
Compressed, and go to the original. Oh. Maybe just show the bars so they could see the images. Just like. Okay, so that is the original, and that's the compressed. And go to the PNG. That's the original, and that's the compressed. And it's all done through AI. It's actually pretty dope. You guys should check it out. Thank you.
Awesome. Francis has something.
Yeah, we're looking to hire for a sales position. So if any of you guys have any experience with enterprise sales, please reach out to us.
Oh, and also, so this is the consumer version, and we're ready to release the enterprise API. It's going to be throughput-based pricing or API call. You guys are here, so we can give you discounts. Just come and talk to us if you want to integrate it into your web apps, HTML, games, whatever you like. We're about to release the enterprise API. Thank you.
Thank you. Give me a second. I'm just going to. Yes. Oh, questions. Can I get a runner? Thanks. I'm just going to plug in.
Oh, and also it's PixelDrive.co.
You want to spell it?
PIXEL, drive, one word, .co. Yeah, they're coming.
So firstly, that's insane, what you guys are doing. And secondly, have you seen the TV show Silicon Valley?
Yeah. Pied Piper,
You just
yeah.
are that startup.
Kind of like, yeah, Pied Piper for images.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah, what's his name? Can't remember his name. Yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah.
That's it, yes.
Any other questions?
Oh, there's one here. No, so how it's done is through a bit of technical. It's done through entropy coding. So you can only go, there's a hard limit for the entropy. So you can only go that much, but you can keep putting it through the algorithm. It doesn't get pixelated, but it gets blurry a bit. So, yeah.
Yeah, just to add to that, what we've noticed is that the higher the resolution, the higher the compression factor. And in layman's terms, to explain what Miguel said, is basically in higher resolution or in lower resolution, each pixel holds more information than in higher resolution because it takes more pixels to represent the same object. So with lower resolution, we still compress, but to a smaller degree.
Yeah, yeah. So, it's video. Video, yeah, we're still going. But we do need to make revenue and grow a team. So, yes, right now. We do have a pre-seed investment, but we're looking for investments as well, yeah. We're going for it, yeah. It will take time.
Any other questions? You guys can reach out to Miguel and his team at Drive Pixel on Twitter or reach out to them on PixelDrive.co. Thank you so much. That was a fantastic. I felt like I was watching Silicon Valley.